Sometimes, while driving, your car may feel unusually heavy or slow, even when the road is flat. This can make driving tiring and affect fuel efficiency. There are simple reasons why your car feels heavy while driving. Low tire pressure is a common reason your car feels heavy while driving. When tires do not have enough air, they create more contact with the road, increasing friction. This makes the engine work harder to move the car forward. Checking tire pressure regularly and keeping it at the recommended level helps improve performance. A dirty air filter can reduce your car's engine performance and make it feel heavy while driving. When the filter is clogged, the engine cannot get enough clean air for proper combustion. This causes poor acceleration, weak power, and lower fuel efficiency over time. Replacing or cleaning the air filter regularly helps restore engine strength and improve smooth, comfortable driving. Brake problems can make your car feel heavy and slow while driving on the road. If the brakes are sticking or not releasing fully, they create constant resistance against the wheels. This forces the engine to work harder, reducing speed, fuel efficiency, and overall driving performance. Regular brake inspection and timely repairs ensure smooth movement and a more comfortable driving experience. Transmission problems can make your car feel heavy and slow while driving. If gears do not shift smoothly, power is not delivered properly to the wheels. You may notice delayed acceleration, jerking, or unusual noises while changing gears. Regular maintenance and quick repairs help keep the transmission working smoothly. Engine problems can make your car feel heavy and less powerful while driving. When parts like spark plugs, sensors, or fuel injectors are not working properly, the engine cannot produce full power. This leads to slow acceleration and poor fuel efficiency. Regular servicing and timely repairs help keep the engine running smoothly and restore normal driving performance. Power steering problems make the steering wheel hard to turn. Low fluid or system problems increase effort while driving. Fixing the system restores smooth and easy steering. A weak battery or alternator can make your car feel heavy and sluggish. When the electrical system does not work properly, the engine may struggle to perform at full power. This can cause slow acceleration, dim lights, or starting problems. Regularly checking the battery and alternator ensures smooth engine performance and prevents unexpected breakdowns while driving. So, by knowing these reasons, you can understand why your car feels heavy while driving.